On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing. And now, the lady I like to dance with, Teri Rice.
Yay, let's hear it for my MC. Okay, today I'm back to using Ginger's list since I was supposed to be doing this whole time. Okay, so 9 ladies dancing. It says create a Mrs. Claus. Okay, so my Mrs. Claus is back when her and Santa first met when she was a ballerina. And excuse me. And so I'm gonna have her, the dancing Mrs. Claus, and you see she got gray hair young. And so this is what I'm making, and it's a Temu dye. There was actually 3 in the Temu dye. Do I have it here? I thought I had it here. Well, if you watched my haul video, you've seen it. There's 3 ballerinas, but I chose this one, and I thought I'd put her in a Christmas. Let's see. It's like tutu material is what the paper looks like, and it's from Mintay, and also from the Mintay White Christmas. And you can kind of see a little more of it here. It's got stars running through it. I thought it'd be perfect. So what I did was I cut her once in a flesh tone, and I had her pretty light because, you know, she lives at the North Pole. She probably doesn't get much sun. And then I printed it out in white to do her hair. And then I put her, and I did red one. Actually, I just did this much of it and just had white behind her when I cut it. And what I decided after I got this on here, that I really like the idea of putting a little white behind her. So what I did was cut out that gown again and just put it a little bit lower. So I'm gonna do her hair with this and then cut out the gown too and put that on top of her so there's more layers, because I like the little bit of white on the dress since she's since it's her Christmas outfit. So first I'm gonna cut out the dress, and I'm just gonna go with the shape of the cutouts here. And I thought about I could have used a long sleeve, but I didn't think about that until I got them all cut out. So so now I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use my dauber and the tea stain because it really kind of has a little bit of a flesh tone, I think, when you layer it together. Whoops, and if I can pick her up. So I'm just gonna go around the edges, and now that I've inked it, it's pretty dark. I had kind of a hard time doing it at first because I just tried to use what I had. But so I'm just going around and kind of hitting those edges. And I have to say, the other day I went to church, and I got so chilled later on in the day that it just, even though I had been feeling so much better, it seemed like it just really knocked me for a loop. So I am not leaving this house again until I'm 100%. So maybe I'll do more scrapbooking. I don't know. Definitely getting through my 12 days of Christmas. Okay, and since it's really hard to, now I did a little bit here where I tried running that across where I do kind of want to hit a little bit there. But then I'm gonna take a flesh tone, and the one I'm using is a peach, because I think it looks closer to the skin color I'm using. And I'm just going to make a line here where it looks like her leg would end, or the edge of her leg would be. And it already looks like I put more there than what I need. And I'm looking to see if I just have an eraser, but I don't. Okay, but I think that looks pretty good. And then I am going to color her shoes on her. Excuse me. I forgot I want this one. It's just a little bit thicker. And I figure since her and Santa probably wear black boots all the time, so I'm gonna make her have black boots or black ballerina shoes for when they met. Because I'm sure he met her at the ballet. Oh, I brought that little bottle back again. I'm taking drinks out of this. Because I can't be trusted without a lid. I had to pause and have a good cough. Okay, so I've got her shoes. Just a minute. It looks like I need a little bit of a touch-up. Okay, so I've got her ballet shoes drawn on. And then I'm gonna cut this one off. This one is where I practiced her face before I drew it on the other one. Okay, do I get the right one? Yep. The colors are a little off my vision. Okay. Yeah, I thought it was better. Went to church. We had a guest speaker, it was awesome. And then it's like that night I got so chilled later on when I was getting ready for bed, and it's like the next day I woke up and I was like, oh my gosh, it's a bad thing. Okay, so I'm gonna use this here and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, a little bit longer than her dress there. So I'm gonna put it about like that. Wanted to look at my screen, make sure I really had my dancing lady in there. I mean, Mrs. Claus. Yeah, I didn't have anything Mrs. Claus, no Santa Claus. So next time I order dies, I'll try to get one. Okay, so I've just got the whole thing a little bit lower. And then I'm gonna put her dress on. I thought it kind of gives the illusion of the white. I really was thinking, oh, I'd love to have like a little white boa. Wouldn't that be cute? Okay, so about like that. And then I had bought these here. Well, let me actually draw on her face first and maybe do her hair. Oh, I almost forgot about her hair. Okay. I just thought we never think of Santa or Mrs. Claus without them having white hair. So even though I'm having her younger, I thought I'm still gonna do the white hair, but with a little bit of the gray in it, like the black. So I'm just putting a little bit of ink around the edges because I want it to mostly be white. And so now I'm going to glue that on. I'm glad that I have the embellishments to do, because they already have, you know, what is actually to be done, because I don't know if I could think any harder than that. Okay, I'm going to put my lid on here for a second.
Did you say cut and glue?
No, I never did. My hubby sure likes to be part of this. I think he needs to have his own channel. Okay, what's my... Yeah, this one's it. Okay, this is a 0.1 millimeter, and it's the Paper Studio, and it really has the thinnest tip. So I really like that one for anytime I'm going to draw or write on anything. So I'm just giving her a little eye, giving her a couple, 2 or 3 lashes, and an eyebrow. Oh, it looks like she doesn't have much eyeball. Okay, got a little more eyeball in there. And then I'm gonna give her red lips to match her dress. Okay, and I pulled it up a little bit so she looks like she got a smile. Okay, so I had got these at Michael's. We went there after Thanksgiving, and I did get a little bit of a haul there, so as soon as I can get it together enough, I actually still have it sitting in bags at in the foyer. So as soon as I can get it together enough, I will show you what I got there. These were supposed to be there by Createology, I think would be how it's pronounced. They're $4.99, and I'm pretty sure I got them for $2. And I really bought them for these little stars here. I didn't realize I was gonna actually use them on here, but it's perfect. So I've just made a bunch of little dots until it's all covered. Okay, and I got silver and gold here. I'm gonna mix into the bottom of her dress. I think I need a different one of these. It's like, mine doesn't want to let go at all. I always have to pull it off. I think I'm pulling it off and it's still there. Okay. Now I just went with, you know, whatever got on the picker-upper. And the last one actually not very many gold fell out at all. So this time I got a little bit of everything. So I'm trying to get a little bit of everything on the pickup tool. So yeah, I need to know what the favorite pickup tool is and what the favorite what's the other thing I need replaced? The X-Acto knife. My X-Acto knife, it just feels loose. I don't feel comfortable using it. I liked it because it closed up. I think might be a We Are Memory Keepers one. I don't know. But I thought, oh, this would be fantastic. It closes up, nice and safe. But it's so loose, I don't like to use it. I see some people using pickup tools, and it's like Why doesn't my pickup tool work like theirs? Do you need a drink, husband?
Getting one.
He was doing that all the time. It's like, what's that? You can't be sick. Okay, so I think I got all the stars I need. Now, do I have everything she needs? Yep. Now, I did take a little piece of her dress on this one because you could still see you could see like little spots where there's holes, but it was most noticeable right there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put, some stars just fell off. Well, I guess that's how we're gonna test them. So I'm gonna put some glue back here and cover up this hole, because that's where I can definitely see there's a hole in her dress. The other doesn't look like it's something that you're gonna totally look at and go, oh, there's a hole there, but this spot, it's such a wide amount that I really want something there. Okay, let's see where it looks like I need to replace my stars. Okay, right here in the middle. Oh, I lost one right here. Oh, and I see, there it is. There it is. Now I'm wearing it. Okay. And now it's in Mrs. Claus's hair. Okay, maybe she needs a star in her hair. I kind of liked it. Let me see. Okay, and I'm already can't decide between silver and gold. You know how in Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer they sing about silver and gold. Okay, yes, I like that in her hair. Okay, so she gets one too. So this is day number 9. You know, in the drop-down menu, I have everybody else who's playing 12 Days of Christmas. And then individually, and then there is the one click. And it actually says that. So it's like, it's easy to, check us all out, check the other ladies out. And thank you for watching. I will have close-ups at the end. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.